Okay, hi everybody. This is car review part 2. Okay, so here is our first car. Here's this side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the front. Here's the top, and of course the bottom. Stop. We got this. Did I already do this? Say in the comments if I already did this car. So we got this side, we got the front, we got the other side, the back, top, and the bottom. Here we got another car. Here we got the side, the front, the other side, the back, the top, and the bottom. Here we got some Rocket League car. The side, the front, the other side, the back, the top, and of course the bottom. Okay, I know what are them called. Wait a minute. Okay, here we got this car. The side, the front, the back. Oh, wait, no, the other side. This is the back, top, and the bottom. And here's, if I didn't show the front, here's the front again. Here, seems like we got a Ferrari. The side, front, the other side, the back, the top, and the bottom. I'm really tired. Here we got this car. Here's the side, the front, the other side, the back, the top, and of course the bottom. For some reason, Snoopy's in there. Say hi, Snoopy. Or yeah. Here we got another car. Don't think this one's Hot Wheels, but the side, the front, the other side, the back, the top, and the bottom. Yeah, that's not Hot Wheels. So here we got another Hot Wheels car. There's the side, the front, the other side, the back, the top, and the bottom. I don't think I've been giving you enough time to. Oh, wait. Here, I got another car. Bro. Wait a minute. Bro. Okay, here we got another car. Got this side. We got the front. The other side. The back. Oh. bottom. I think that's all for today. Wait, I might have one more car I can show you. Yep. Here, I got this car. Here's the side. Oh, the front. The other side. The back. The top. And the bottom. Yeah, that's all for today. Bye.